The recitative continues by saying, "A voice cries out in the wilderness, prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God." I once heard this scripture explained. Uh, 2,000 years ago in Israel, they did not travel anywhere near as much or as far as we do today. The uh, their roads were not like ours. Um, it could be that the worst road in Lansing, Michigan, is better than the best road in the nation of Israel 2,000 years ago. And if there was a time uh, when the king was going to travel uh, from his palace to some distant part of his kingdom or to another nation, before he would leave, they would send out a road crew to clear boulders out of the paths, to fill in ruts and potholes and washouts and all these things that can go wrong with a road because they hadn't been maintained. And uh, and then the king could get into his coach and be pulled by horses and make it to his destination. Otherwise, he probably wouldn't be able to make it. So this is a concept that would have been understood back in the time of Isaiah and in the time of Christ, is that you would prepare the way for a king when he was coming. Now, this doesn't really apply to us because God is not deterred by bad road conditions. Uh, but what can deter us from receiving the Lord are obstacles in our own lives. And these are things that we would want to get out of the way in order to receive the Lord. Let's listen to this recitative.